Okay, the price for a bike after two successive discounts or consecutive, whichever way you like it, of 20% and 11% is 106.80. And what is the single equivalent rate of discount? All right, now here use this formula. This will give us the single equivalent rate of discount. That is what D sub E is. Now you need to get the two discounts expressed as decimals first. So 20% expressed as a decimal is indeed 0.2. If we do that, 20%, it is 0.2. Don't worry about how many zeros are there. It doesn't matter. Okay, 11% expressed as a decimal will give us 0.11. You can add in as many zeros as you wish, it doesn't matter. So these are the two discounts expressed as decimals. Now we insert the values into this formula right here, 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2. We have those numbers, so let's go. We go 1 minus 0.2. And that gives us this value of 0.8 right here. And then if you go 1 minus 0.11, so let's go 1 minus 0.11, we'll get this 0.89. All right, so let's multiply these two numbers. Seeing we have the 0.89 already up on the display, we can just go ahead and then multiply that number by 0.8. You could put in the 0 if you wish, it's not necessary. And that gives us 0.712, which is this number right here. Now that number has to be subtracted from 1, okay, because that is how the formula works. You have to multiply those two decimals, 0.80 times 0.89, and then subtract them from 1. Now we know that all we need to do is to make this 0.71200 negative, and then we add that to 1, and we will get the correct answer of 0.288, which is this number right here. Now that is the decimal equivalent rate of discount. And if we wish to get the percentage, we multiply by 100. Yes, we don't have a reverse converter to convert to percent. Sorry, but it is 20. We have to do it manually, multiply by 100, and then we get 28.80. All right, and that gives us the answer. That's the single equivalent rate of discount, and it, if you want to be expressed as a percent, there it is, 28.8. Now, what is the price of the bike before the two discounts? Remember, we were given the price of the bike after the discount. After the discount, the price is 106.80. So we can use this formula that says the net price is equal to the list price times 1 minus the equivalent rate of discount expressed as a decimal. So now we do know the discounted price or the net price, and it is 106.80. Okay, that is the discounted price. The single equivalent rate of discount is 0.288. That is the value that was right up here, correct? Yes, we computed that value previously. So there it is. There we are. Sorry, there's the decimal, there's the percent. So we have those two numbers. We insert them into this formula right here. So we go 28.8. If we wish, we could actually go and click on percent, and that converts it to a decimal, which is what we have right here. Okay. Now you can go and 1 minus 0.288, but like I told you before, why don't we just hit plus minus and add 1, and that will perform the operation for us. So we do get the 0.712. So there's the formula the formula is right here. And then we came and we inserted numbers in here. And then now we've gotten to this stage here. 106.80 is equal to the list price times 0.712. So the list price is equal to 106.80 divided by 0.712. And as I showed you before, we're dividing by 0.712. So we could use this 1 over x, or the reciprocal function, and that will do the division for us. And then we proceed to multiply by 106.80. Sorry, the highlighting went a little too far. Let's maybe do the reverse and stop it like that. Okay, 106.80. So we multiply by 106.80, and we get the final answer of 150, which is right here. If you wish, we could make it larger so it's very distinct, and there we are.